Hi friends, as of now we discussed about database installation, application installation, and log embed installation and correcting the application with the GUI, and as well as we seen some of the post installation steps as well. And after that we covered HDB LCM by resident HDBL's differences, and as well as we covered some Linux basics, and we know that how to install the application and as well as the how to install the HANA database. What if in case suppose there may be a situation to uninstall the application and as well as uninstall the database, how we are going to do? So we know that for installing the application we are using the tool called SWPM. And what about database? We are using HDB LCM is a tool to install the application. But coming to HANA database uninstallation purpose, as we discussed the residence HDB LCM. So by using this resident HDB LCM only, we can able to resident HDB LCM, we can uninstall the DB database. So you need to remember, so this HDB LCM is the tool to install the DB. And as well as when it comes to application installation, we are using the same tool for installation and as well as the uninstallation purpose. So install and as well as the uninstallation, the path is same for both in application and as well as. So first we are going to uninstall the application into the system. So for that I'm already logged into the Linux system. So I want to uninstall one of the application. Let me check. So I want to uninstall the application which is available on some database is called JD1. My application is J2G, something like that. So I'm going, so the path I already told you how we are going to the path, like I'm telling CD change directory key SAP MNT and then next LN, and then after I want to, these are the applications available into the system. So I want to know, and next CD HANA share, and these many databases are available in the system. This is how this is how we are going to check how many applications and how many databases are there into the system. We are going to check by going this path. So SAP MNT is a mount directory for all applications. We are going to check that path directly, and you can go like the path is like USR SAP application SID, and after that I can go to the part you can find the profiles information. So you can find the application information as well over there. So like SAP MNT is also we can check like, and we know that like these are the applications and these are the databases, and how we know which application is connected to which database. So now I want to check with the, like I want to delete the this J2G application. So these many databases are there into the system. So how you find which database is allocated to which application? So we don't know. We need like we about to work with a number of systems and number of applications. we have to find it ourselves. So the path is like, first we need to switch the user su hyphen so j to g adm. This is the sadm. We'll switch him, and after that I am entering the cd pro, change directory to profile. So then after you just click lm, and then after you can find cat default, and you can find the information about the db name is, you can see here the db name is gd1. Like this j2g application is installed on jd1 database. This is the application, this is the database. So first we install the application on top of database. So now we are going to see how we are going to uninstall the application. I already told you, like, the path is same. Whatever the installation path is there for application, the same path we are going to uninstall. So the path is same. Like for that I'm going to change the directory to, and then after I'm entering. So you see here, this is the path we are installing SAP SWPM Linux. The same path I'm going cd, and then after ll. So you see here, this is the SAP inst is the, you need to /SAP inst. You just click enter, and then after it is going to be extract what is available into the, this is the executable thing, that is why it is showing like that. So this is the path it is giving us, and now we are going to copy this path, and then after we have to go to the browser, just paste and go. Some advanced proceed anyway. So here the uninstallation thing is different. Like for installation purpose, we are going SAP NetWeaver 7.5, and then after we are selecting, we are installing it on our database, and then after installation purpose we are installing this, and we are selecting the ABAP server and the standard system and standard system. This is the path for installation. But when it comes to uninstallation purpose, we need to go to the generic options. Generic options, SAP HANA database, uninstall, and then after uninstall SAP systems for single instance system or single instances. We just click next. The same process, the same 4 stages are there: define parameters, review parameters, execute service committee. So these are same stages we have it in uninstallation as well. So uninstallation is also like it is done in a faster way, like not like installation is taking very longer time. As we know that creating is very difficult, but when it comes to delete, we can delete in fraction of seconds. So it is asking for the profile directory. So this is a profile directory. Yes, sir, SAP J2G is the application. Next. So like whatever created associated with the J2G application inside, so it is asking for uninstall all instances of SAP system ID. So you just click next. So if you see here, like for whenever we are going for application uninstallation, there is an option called like we can delete the database as well. Like whatever the database is associated with that application, we can delete, remove database or parts of it. SAP HANA database. So we can delete. So, but I want to show it how to uninstall in the database in the OS level. So I'm going for that option. So if we click and click next, the database will to be uninstalled. So just click next. So everything it is going to be uninstalled. So I'm not selecting the uninstall database. Just click next. See here, it is directly went to 84-96% like this. It is going to be done in a faster way. See here, execution of generic option SAP on a database uninstall installs has completed. We just click OK. So now it is completed. You have to come like this. Then only we can assume that the process is completed. The process execution is finished successfully. So we just close this one. I am going to the SAP mount directory, SAP MNT LM. See here, the application J2G is J2G. The application J2G is uninstalled successfully. Okay, anyway, we are uninstalled successfully the J2G application.